Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. A nice little quick recipe, this one. I'm going to show you how I make my garlic smashed potatoes. Alright, really simple to do. Here I've got some little red boil potatoes, and I'm just going to get a fork and poke some holes through the skin, just like that. I just give them, 2 or 3, maybe 4 stabs, depending on the size of the potato. I'm using the little ones, they cook nice and quick. You can use whatever potato you like, but this works great with these little red potatoes. Put those onto some baking paper on a tray, drizzle that with a bit of olive oil, just like I'm doing right there. Nice and simple. My oven is already sitting at around about 185 degrees Celsius. I've got some Himalayan rock salt. I'm just going to grind a bit of that over the top of those potatoes, just like that. Really simple. Now all we have to do now is pick that up and put that into the oven, and we're going to leave those for around about 1 hour. Right, let's get on with our garlic butter. Here I've got 3 spring onions or scallions that I've finely sliced. I've put those into a bowl. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. Just give those a crush with the back of your knife, just like that. Put that straight into the bowl. Really simple to do. If you want to mince it up, go for it. I'm just going to use that nice and whole. And I've got around about somewhere between 50 to 70 grams worth of butter. I am using a salted butter. Doesn't matter, you can use unsalted if you wish. I'm going to salt it again anyway. Now, controversial for me because I never do it. I'm going to put that in the microwave until I melt that butter down. Right, hours gone by, out comes the potatoes, just like that. And I'm just going to give us a little bit of extra space in between our potatoes. All right, we don't want to crowd these up too much because we're going to have a little bit of violence happening here in a second. And this is really fun and gives the smashed potatoes their name. Baking paper over the potatoes. I'm going to use a really small chopping board, put that on top, and give it what for. Just smash them down, okay? And they should start looking a little bit like that, like they've been run over by a truck. And if it does look like that, you've done it absolutely perfectly. And the cool thing about this recipe, like a lot of my other ones, I can't spill anything. If you're a loyal follower of the channel, you'll know that, yep, with my MS, I spill stuff everywhere. Right, our potatoes are all smashed. They're going back in the oven around about another half an hour, okay? Now, my butter is already melted down. Half an hour later, our beautiful smashed potatoes come out. And I think it's time to serve up. So just get a plate if you've got a dinner party or whatever. Just put this in the center and people can just pick and choose whatever they like. So put those potatoes straight down on the little plate or little platter like that. Really nice and simple. And you can serve this with anything. It works great with barbecues, fried chicken. It just works great with a roast. It doesn't matter what you want to serve this with. It is the perfect side, and it is really easy. You've only got to concentrate on pricking the potatoes, putting them in the oven, taking them out, give them a walloping, cooking them again for half an hour, and then we're going to ladle down our beautiful spring onion garlic butter over the top, just like that. How easy is this to make? And the taste is incredible. Love to see you try and make these ones at home. It is that easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a really nice, really heavily seasoned side just like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this garlic smashed potatoes with another little dish that I cooked last night, and I will catch you next time. Bye.